The world's unluckiest Cybertruck looks like it's holding up pretty well to the whistling diesel abuse. Tailgate looks like it got hit by a rocket launcher. Whistling Diesel had put the Cybertruck through a series of rigorous tests to see how much damage it can withstand. Despite not being completely wrecked by the explosive, the vehicle does sustain some damage, with the door's interior almost blown off. The door and tailgate actually are holding up well to explosives is legitimately kind of amazing. The tow hitch shearing off completely is mind-blowingly bad. Surprisingly, the truck is still drivable. What's next for the battered Cybertruck? We'll have to wait and see what Whistling Diesel has in store for his next round of durability tests. But for now, it's safe to say that it has proven it's got the guts to take on any challenge.